when I walk along this road with my daughter and my son, so it's time to, they are a little bit hungry, so I come with the biscuits and I give some biscuits for them. Then I see this ant here. There are too many ants, so I thinking it's just one biscuit. I think better I give some biscuit for them also. There are too many ants, so I can feed them also, and if they are hungry they can eat. One biscuit is enough for hundreds of ants. They will be full of their stomach. Look, when I put these biscuits, I make it very small pieces like this, like a powder. They come and take it. This is the, I don't know where they are going. They are go along this road. So around 10 meters maybe, I put the different place. I put here some biscuit, here some biscuits, here some biscuits. So this is their road. Look, they carrying the biscuits. So they will, what they carrying, the piece is a bigger than the ant, bigger than them, so they can eat 2-3 times. So look how we can help to the nature, how we can help to the animals. Look how big this piece and how small him. I give and I make this video because even you guys, when you are walking somewhere, if you have something, if you see some animal, doesn't matter who, try to give little bit. I give just one biscuit, so try to give little bit. We can feed animal also with our one biscuit, you see. And it's not one ant, one animal, it's too many of them can feed from one biscuit. Of course we're not thinking something like this, but look how we can help for them. So I'm in the nice nature in France, Toulouse. We have no sunny and this moment, so I just make this video. It's not to take a help. So if you like also to something, if I send you, you can watch. So subscribe me please.